ragging is considered a tool of power. But that power can also come with responsibility. And I think a lot of the raggers, if you tell them that with this power over your junior comes a lot of responsibility, I think they'll let go of ragging. Because they don't want to take care of a person. They just want to have those few minutes, few evenings of fun for the first few months of college and then forget about it. So if you tell them ragging is about responsibility, is about taking responsibility of your juniors, then there is certain hope that some of the students will at least stay away from it. Having said that, I think that a tool like this, and this is what I told Mr. Sanjeev when I met him, is that I think this is a tool that can empower students. If a student feels that he has this tool, of course, like some of the students have pointed out to us, it's not necessary that they're always carrying their mobile phones into these hostel rooms. But at the same time, if before, when they're called into the seniors room, etc., if they have the sense that if I use this tool, I can secure myself, I can save myself, then one hopes that they will. And from the seniors' point of view, maybe the fear that doesn't exist, the fear of the law that doesn't exist, perhaps because like Manish Gupta proclaimed that the judiciary is a farce, if that is the case, maybe that's why there is no fear. And maybe a tool like this will create fear in the mind of the senior who wants to call a junior into a room where no one knows what happens. And no one talks about it either. And again, like Manish Gupta said, that following next year, the victim becomes a perpetrator himself. And I really do hope that this tool will be used by students actively, proactively, without any hesitation. And they will be able to think of the fact that any line that is crossed, however simple it may be to make you dance, it may be to anything, whatever line that is crossed, they can say no to it. And this tool should empower them to be able to say no confidently, with minimal repercussions, or at least, like they've been saying, some evidence of what happened when it happened. That's all pretty much I have to say. Trivializing it, but on a lighter note, look them in the eye and press the button for 4 seconds is what I'd say.